Let's name the functions that relate the dog's distance from the post and the time since its owner left. Function f for day 1, function g for day 2, function h for day 3. The input of each function is time in seconds t. Use function notation to complete the table. Part A, distance from post, 60 seconds after the owner left. Okay, so on day 1, that said, let's do this. Day 1, we're using, oh, that's too big. Let's try this. There we go. Day 1 is F. Day 2 is G. And day 3 is H. Okay. So I'm going to put F, and then 60 seconds after the owner left, so inside the parentheses, I'm going to put 60. Okay. For day 2, since I'm using the letter G, I'm going to put G there. And we're still using the same time. It's still going to be 60. And for day 3, this time I'm using the letter H. So this time I'm going to put an H, but I'm still using 60 seconds, so I put a 60 there. Okay. Distance, part B. Distance from post when the owner left. Okay. On day 1, that's still function F. And when the owner left, that means 0 seconds. I'm going to put a 0 there. On day 2, we're using the letter G to represent day 2, but the time is still 0 seconds. And on day 3, we're using the letter H to represent day 3, and the time is still 0 seconds. Part C, distance from post 150 seconds after the owner left. So using the letter F to represent day 1, and the time is 150 seconds, so that goes inside the parentheses. On day 2, we're using the letter G to represent day 2. Time is 150 seconds. And on day 3, we're using the letter H to represent day 3, and time is 150 seconds. Okay.